at 8. Visibility 10. 13,000 scattered. 25,000 scattered. Temperature -4. Dew point -20. Altimeter 3052. ILS runway 22 left approach in use. Departing runway 22 right from intersection Whiskey. 10,000. 150 feet. Takeoff distance available. GLS approach available upon request. Attention all aircraft. 5G notice to air missions in effect for Newark Airport. For further information, contact flight service station frequencies. Use caution for birds and cranes in the vicinity of Newark Airport. Read back all runway hold short instructions and assigned altitude. Advise on initial contact. You have information November.
Alright, it's still November, guys. Alright, so we still have November. We're going to call clearance delivery on 118.85. Newark clearance delivery November 292 Sierra Papa over at Signature. Looking for a VFR clearance southbound at 3000 type aircraft Cessna 172.
292 Sierra Papa, Newark clearance. You wish want to check out to the southwest?
A-firm. If we can get flight following from the Tracon, our final destination is Mike Juliet X-ray.
Alright, 292 Sierra Papa. We'll get you a punch out of the airspace and a handoff. Just stand by and I'll write a strip up here for you.
Sounds like a plan.
Sierra Papa, cleared out of Class Bravo airspace to the southwest. Maintain VFR 1500 in the Bravo. You're going to squawk 0306.
292 Sierra Papa is cleared out of the New York Class Bravo airspace via southwestbound. Maintain VFR 1500, 0306 for 2 Sierra Papa.
2 Sierra Papa, read back is correct. Ground point 8 when you're ready to taxi.
Ground point 8 for taxi, and you got a departure frequency?
Yeah, it'll be 12785.
2785, ground to 218 when we're ready. 2 Sierra Pop, thanks so much. Alright, guys. Clear right, clear left.
Delivery, g'day, Limburg 40.
Hey, this is Oscar, current new customer to 3052.
On 18.3 for tower.
Captain Ground United 8190, Romeo Golf, short Alpha, ready to taxi.
8190, Newark ground, away 22 right at Whiskey, follow CRJ.
The ERJ?
Yeah, the 170.
Okay, we'll follow the 170 United 8190.
Newark ground, November 292 Sierra Papa, signature November, ready for taxi.
Remember 292 Sierra Papa, Newark ground, runway 22 right at the full length, taxi via Zulu 5, hold short of Zulu.
Zulu 5 short is Zulu, full length, 22 right, 2 Sierra Papa.
Remember 2 Sierra Papa, you're going to the southwest, what's going to be approximate on-course heading?
Approximate on-course heading is 200 for 2 Sierra Papa, final destination Mike Juliet X-ray.
2 Sierra Papa, would you like runway 29er?
Yeah, we'll take it if it works for you guys.
Remember 2 Sierra Papa, roger. How much runway will you need?
We can take off with 5,000.
Okay, we're 2 Sierra Papa. Taxiway Papa will be 5,400 and taxiway Romeo is 4,500.
We can take Sierra Quebec if that works for you. We can take a little less.
You can do Romeo. Remember 2 Sierra Papa, 4,500 feet. That work for you?
Yeah, it's fine.
Remember 2 Sierra Papa, runway 29er on Romeo. Taxi via Zulu 5, Zulu.
Zulu 5, Zulu, Romeo short of runway 29 2 Sierra Papa. X-lights on, good. Now guys, we're gonna have to do a rolling run up here. That is the only way to do it here at a class Bravo. Clear right.
That's 8190, you're next to go, monitor target date.
Where's Tower, United 8190, good day.
Stable max, good. Flight controls.
We're 2 Sierra Papa, monitor tower 18-3.
Monitor the tower 18-3, 2 Sierra Pops, yeah.
With you, ILS 22 left.
United 547, 60 knots fast and traffic you're following. Reduce to final, wind 23 at 6, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, and we're slowing to final, 547.
Executive 423, wind 230 at 5, runway 22 right, full length, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Executive 423.
Okay, 249, good rate off, please. Hold short 22 right at Echo.
Hold short 22 right at Echo, United 249.
Executive 423, contact near departure, good day.
Good day.
Okay, 249, cross 22 right at Echo, ground point 8, good day.
Cross 22 right at Echo, ground point at United 249, good day. Hello, Tower United 762, 22 left.
292 Sierra Papa, North Tower, you ready to go?
Let's go.
2 Sierra Papa, runway 29er at Romeo, wind 220 at 4, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 29er at Romeo, 292 Sierra Papa.
Brickyard 3563, runway 22 right at Whiskey, line up and wait.
22 right at Whiskey, line up, wait, Brickyard 3563.
United 547, left turn Papa Victor, hold short, runway 22 right.
Papa the Victor, short of 22 right, United 547. United 762, 22 left.
Okay, 762 North Tower, wind 210 at 4, runway 22 left, clear to land.
22 left, clear to land, United 762.
Under above 1500 VFR.
Two Sierra Papa, radar contact 300, contact tower 12785.
2785, 2 Sierra Pops, yep. New York Tower 292 Sierra Papa, 600, 1500, runway heading.
Number 2902 Sierra Papa, New York Tower, altimeter 3052, and say request.
3052, flight following to Mike Juliet X-ray at 3000, type aircraft's 172.
All right, 2 Sierra Papa, say you're on course heading for your destination and maintain 1,500 for now.
On course heading will be 198 and maintain 1500, 2 Sierra Papa.
All right, 2 Sierra Papa, cruise is requested.
Hello, Joe.
Howdy.
$38 is landing at Short Carney.
Year 38, various services terminated, squawk VFR, free change proof.
Squawk and switch to New York 38.
2 Sierra Papa, say again, you're on course heading
198.
198, so you're going to head towards the southwest there?
A firm.
Okay, 2 Sierra Papa, you can proceed as requested.
Proceed on course, 2 Sierra Pop, thanks.
Sierra Papa, let's do something else better. Make the left turn heading 230. That'll take you away from the departure corridor.
230, 1500, 2 Sierra Pop.
955, that Cessna traffic no factor. They're due over to statute 1,500 now. 955 traffic statute, helicopter 900 northbound, climbing 1,500.
955, looking for that traffic.
Number 2 Sierra Papa, contact Newark approach on 128.55. Let them know you're heading and then your destination. They'll get you on course in about a couple miles.
2855, thanks for the help. 2 Sierra Papa.
You're welcome.
Newark 952's got company.
New York approach, hello, November 292 Sierra Papa's 1500, 230 assigned. New York approach, November 292 Sierra Papa, 1500, 230 heading assigned. And Newark Tower 2 Sierra Papa's back with you. No one's picking up on 2855.
Yeah, stand by. 2 Sierra Papa, stand by. Number 2 Sierra Papa, contact New York approach 128.8.
28.8, 2 Sierra Papa, see ya.
Yeah.
New York approach, hello, November 292 Sierra Papa is 1500, 230 heading assigned.
November 292 Sierra Papa, New York departure. Hello, Newark altimeter 3052. What's your requested altitude?
3052, 3000 over to MJX. Mike Juliet X-ray.
Okay, November 2 Sierra Papa for now. Climb to 2000, traffic 12 o'clock, 8 miles up, the direction of 3 helicopter.
All right, climb to 2000. We'll be looking for the helicopter, 2 Sierra Papa.
November 1 Hotel Yankee, traffic 12 o'clock, 8 miles up, the direction 2000, Skyhawk.
Hotel Yankee looking for the Skyhawk.
United 517, descend to maintain 6000.
6,000, United 517.
Bonanza 904 Alpha, are you level at 6000 now?
Affirmative, sir.
Okay, are you familiar with VFR and IFR altitudes?
Yes, sir.
I would prefer you to be at a VFR one if you're VFR, that's all.
Yes, sir. I was going to continue my descent, but you wanted me to hold at 6, so I didn't want to move until you said.
No, I didn't. I wanted you to let me know when you started descending, but once you did it, I just wanted you to, go to a VFR altitude. Either descend or don't descend, but let me know what you're doing, that's all.
Affirmative. I'll start my descent now.
Okay. November 904 Alpha, contact Philadelphia approach 123.8. Have a good day. Sorry for the confusion.
No worries, sir. 123.8. No problem. Thank you.
Yep.
2 Sierra Papa has helicopter.
Thank you.
And New York 2 Sierra Papa, request on course when able.
Oh, I didn't know you weren't. November 2 Sierra Papa, proceed on course. You can climb to 3000 when able.
On course, 3000 when able, 2 Sierra Papa, thanks.
Approach for 3706, 10,800 descending via the Falbo 3 arrival. We have Oscar.
Figure 3706, New York approach, altimeter 3052. Expect IL from runway 22 left approach.
Heading 040, United 517.
Figure 3706, descend and maintain 6000.
6,000, Bridger 3706.
Air Bridger 3572 out of 10, not the Fildo with Oscar. Brigade 3572, New York approach, altimeter 3052, expect ILS from runway 22 left approach. 5222 left. United 517, contact approach 120.15, good night.
2015, United 517, good night.
November 2 Sierra Papa, contact McGuire approach 126.47, good night.
2647, 2 Sierra Papa, we'll see you next time.
424, 4th Foxtrot.
McGuire approach, Cessna 2461 Papa with you. Cessna 2461 Papa, McGuire approach, I've line clear, altimeter 3050. 3050, 61 Papa. Air 61 Papa, state destination. McGuire approach, 61 Papa, Weaver on with New York approach in the middle of them. We'd like to request the flight following to Sierra Bravo Yankee Salisbury. Air 61 Papa, roger. JetBlue 1016, contact New York approach 128.55. JetBlue 1016, New York approach 128.8.
1288, JetBlue 1016.
McGuire approach, hello, November 292 Sierra Papa is 3000.
292 Sierra Papa, McGuire approach, altimeter 3050.
50.
Too many days in the darkness, without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again.
Air 61 Papa, contact length, we approach 124.6.
1246, 61 Papa.
Affirmative.
And McGuire 2 Sierra Papa, we're clear. The Delta will terminate flight following.
2 Sierra Papa, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, free change approved.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Talk to you later. Have a great night. 2 Sierra Papa.
You as well.
Ocean County traffic, Squawk 2 Sierra Papa is about 4 miles out, just doing a straight in, runway 24, full stop, Ocean County. All right, guys. And look at that sunset. Oh, it's just gorgeous. We're squawking VFR, we're talking on CTAF. We got the airport in sight. That's about all we can ask for.
Texas Field, Skyhawk 12973, 8 miles to the northeast, runner straight in, 28, full stop.
Ocean County traffic, Squawk 2 Sierra Papa is about 1.5 miles, final runway 24, Ocean County. And 110 flaps 10 speed checks. .85 speed checks. And flaps all. Wind is 190, slight crosswind from the left. We'll need some right rudder. Straighten this nose. Ocean County traffic, Squawk 2 Sierra Papa, short final runway 24, Ocean County traffic. Airspeed a little faster.